hotel photo लेटाనికి. Come this side, man.
No, cut from there only.
Hey, you ate my cake.
Cut it.
Come here, come this side.
Yo, cut.
Oh, sorry. Happy
Day to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come. Counterpart.
Hey, man, you leave us. Come on, yaar. Cake will be distributed now. Okay?
Take. No.
అందరి పీసులు వేయండి.
For me. Sir, let me give you now.